Thila became very famous in the 90s and early 2000s because National Geographic showed a documentary video about this place. After that, it became so popular that many divers started to come to this dive site. The size of this pinnacle is around 70 meters square, and the top reef is about 8 meters. With time, the top reef became totally damaged because many boats anchor in the reef. But after the pandemic, the top reef is getting better, and the fish life in this area is still good. As scuba divers, let's always remember to preserve and protect